Harris here with today's lesson, solving systems of equations using the graphing method. A system of equations is a collection of two or more equations with the same variables, where a value for each variable satisfies each equation. Let's look at our first problem. Solving the system of equations y equals negative 2x plus 4 and 2y equals 6x minus 12. Now remember, to graph, we need to ensure both equations are in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, where m represents the slope and b represents the y-intercept. Our second equation, 2y equals 6x minus 12, is not yet in slope-intercept form. To do so, divide both sides of the equation by 2, giving us y equals 3x minus 6. Now we can graph. Y equals negative 2x plus 4. 4 is the y-intercept, so our first point is plotted at 0, 4. Our slope is negative 2, which means we go down 2, right 1 to plot the remaining points. Y equals 3x minus 6. Negative 6 is our y-intercept, so we plot our first point at 0, negative 6. Our slope is 3, which means we go up 3 and right 1 to plot the remaining points. Those two lines intersect, which means we have a solution, our point of intersection, which is 2, 0. Let's take a look at our next problem. Solve the system y equals 2x plus 3 and y equals 2x minus 1. For our first equation, 3 is our y-intercept, and then we go up 2, right 1. To find the remaining points, we go backwards, down 2, left 1. For our second equation, y equals 2x minus 1, our y-intercept is 0, negative 1. Our slope is also 2, so up 2, right 1. As you can see, these lines do not meet. They are parallel, which means we do not have a solution. For our last problem, we will solve the system y equals 4x minus 4 and negative 3y equals negative 12x plus 12. Let's put that second equation in slope-intercept form by dividing both sides by negative 3, giving us y equals 4x minus 4. Looks like we have the same equation. Let's graph it. Y equals 4x minus 4. We begin with our intercept, 0, negative 4, and go up 4, right 1 to plot the remaining points. If you consider that a graph goes on in both directions for infinity, we have many points of intersection, which means we have infinitely many solutions, or IMS. To review, when graphing to solve systems of equations, if your lines intersect, you have one solution, and that solution is your point of intersection. If your lines are parallel, you have no solution. And if your lines are the same line, you have infinitely many solutions. I'll leave you with the problem for you to try on your own. Solve the system negative 5y equals 5x plus 30 and y equals x minus 2. The answer is in the description box below. Thank you for joining us at Ms. Harris's math class, creating math nerds one lesson at a time. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on social media. Peace.